Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix this upload exceeds the maximum file size for this site, or it sometimes shows as the link you followed has expired, but it's usually this one here, this error. It's pretty simple, but it just takes a bit of following to get used to. So first of all, you go to your cPanel, and then you type in here ini, and it's this multi-php.ini editor. And then click on this select a location and click on one of these, whichever one. I think it's usually the bottom one. And then down here you'll see this max post size and max upload file size. They're the two main ones we'll be looking at today. And you can set them to, depending on how much your hosting company is allowed. I usually set them to 256 megabytes. So I'm going to do that for both this first one and the last one. So max post size and upload max file size, and then click on apply. And once you see this success message, you can go back to your website and refresh the page. And now when you try to upload a plugin, it should work. I hope this tutorial helped you. If it did, please like and subscribe to the channel, and if you need any help with anything, please comment below and I'll try to help you out.